Hello darlings and welcome to my channel. I'm Casey if you are new. I hope you are all having a wonderful day and I just wanted to thank you all so much for stopping by my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you a new rug that I got for the kitchen, and my husband and I are going to put together a new cabinet, and I made a salmon dinner on the Traeger that I am sharing as well. So I hope you stick around, check it out. Don't forget to say hi in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Trying to get up over these roses. They are so beautiful. I get them at Sam's. This is 2 bouquets of them. They're just so pretty. So I'm going to enjoy these by my kitchen sink. And I like these. I think they last a bit longer. Okay, Buddy is modeling the new rug I got. Buddy, do you love the new rug? I saw this at Home Goods and I thought it was just gorgeous. It is Ralph Lauren, and look at the coloring. It's just like a very muted light blue with like some hints of gold, and I don't know, it's just so pretty. And I wasn't looking for a rug, but when you see like a really nice rug, you have to grab it. So it's laying over the rug that I have in here, and actually at the time that I bought this I was looking for a rug and I couldn't find one that I liked, so I found that one and I do like it, but not as much as this one. So the thing is, that one is like stuck to the floor with that sticky rug stuff so it doesn't slide. It's like sticky stuff, so I'm going to peel that up and I don't know, see what happens. I don't have any more of that sticky stuff and I haven't seen it at Home Goods, so I'm just gonna peel it up because I'm tired of these two sitting here because it's getting all wrinkled up. I just got this delivered. It is a cabinet that I'm going to put maybe in our bathroom. It doesn't really fit in our bathroom, but I am just fed up with the fact that we use our linen closet, which is in our bedroom, for my husband's stuff that we took out of a dresser that we got rid of. It's like a domino effect. So we got rid of a dresser, then we moved his stuff from the dresser to the closet and tried to share it with the towels, which was just chaotic. So I got this cabinet and I'm like, maybe I can put this in the bathroom. It might be awkward. And then I'm like, let's just repaint the bathroom. I want to change the tile in the bathroom, but yeah, my husband doesn't want to do that. Here I am. So I was thinking about, so if we're not going to change the tile, I'm just going to try to work with what we have. So I'm going to repaint the walls and then add some wallpaper. We're going to take down shiplap, add wallpaper, and then maybe put this piece in here. Otherwise, I think I can just put it in my bedroom in a spot. And I mean, the closet was already there, so we're already reaching, you know, going to that area to get our towels anyway. So I'm going to put the bath towels, the beach towels, and then like the extra toilet paper and stuff in it. I mean, that kind of sounds weird to be in my room, but I literally have no other place for it. So we're gonna build that and hopefully we'll have some more storage. Okay, I'm going to put dinner on now. I'm going to put this salmon on the Traeger, and it smells really good. It's all seasoned up and ready to go on. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, here we go. I think Drake won.
Yay, it won! Okay.
You can do round 2 of the splash contest.
Should we change the rule and see who can make the smallest splash? Who can get the smallest splash? Yeah.
Okay, smallest splash.
No way, we have to get a ring first.
I think Drake got the smaller splash.
You keep on winning!
All right, what are we doing? Biggest splash or smallest splash?
Biggest.
Huh?
Biggest.
Ooh, that was a good one. Whoa, Avery won that by a landslide.
Me. Okay.
Yeah, his was way bigger. Okay, the salmon is all done, and that was like a super quick dinner to take off the grill. Just put some baked beans on and made a salad, and we are ready to eat. It smells so good. Ooh, I like that color.
Fancy.
We are our first wood piece. Seriously, Ace?
Not so fancy.
Why are there empty pouches? You just probably dented the floor.
What?
I mean, I feel like that it's not like you use... I don't feel like you use box 1 first and then go to box 2.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel like they're just in 2 boxes shipped. Like, you don't just open box 1 and then put it all together and then get box 2.
And just, why not?
Doesn't seem like something, doesn't make sense.
Boudreaux. What are you doing?
It says assemble your unit on a carpeted floor or on the empty carton to avoid scratching your unit or the floor. I don't know. I think we need both boxes open, but I don't know. Is there any screws in that box?
There what?
Screws?
Yeah, the whole thing's full of. You good boy?
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters,
Alright, it is the next day and I wanted to show you this cabinet. And don't mind my sad fiddly fig, but I wanted to show you the cabinet because it was such a struggle last night. It was so late and we were putting it together. And I wanted it in my bathroom to put towels in. And I measured it and it would fit, but I thought, oh, this is going to be quite cramped. So, I don't know. We put it together and that was quite the ordeal. And I hate it in there. It's too much. Like, you can't, it won't work in there. So I'm like, okay, let's move it here because I have a blank spot here. But it does not go with the style of fireplace. Like, these are two totally different styles, so it just doesn't match in here. So now I'm trying to figure out what to do with this cabinet. I really need the storage, but it's just not going to work in this room. It's really pretty though. I haven't even put the shelves in it yet, but and then these handles were facing the other way in the ad and my husband put them on like that, so I don't know. I'm gonna try, I have a cabinet like this in the living room, so I'm going to try and move it when my husband gets home and put it in that spot and see if it like works in our living room, or else I might just have to get rid of it. I can't return it, we already built it, so maybe I can put it on Facebook Marketplace. But I just wanted to let you guys know what happened last night. So I just wanted to let you guys know what happened last night. I was too tired to talk about this, but yeah, I will let you know when I figure out what I'm going to do with it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.